Okay, so my name is Jonathan Yates from Materials Department in the University of Oxford, and it falls to me to give the some closing remarks of this Wannier90 school. I'm going to be very brief. Okay, so really just it falls to me to say some thanks. So thanks to the speakers, to Arash, Guansheng, Yusuke, Anil, Giovanni and Roxana for their wonderful talks, and to everyone that helped prepare and deliver the tutorials. So Ivo, Guansheng, Yusuke, Valerio, Anil, Giovanni, Antimo, Junfeng, Roxana and Samuel. And also some special thanks to people that you may not have seen the pictures of, but have been doing some doing a lot of technical work to make this all happen. So Dominic and Norma, Junfeng and Leopold, and also Marco, who is working to put all the videos online. So hopefully by early next week, you'll be able to relive the experience and see all these videos again. And I think on behalf of the Wannier90 developers and the organizers, I should probably single out Giovanni for his sterling effort in, I think his enthusiasm and energy that's really sort of corralled together all of these people to do all this work and to make this virtual edition happen. But also thank you to all of you for joining in. So I've got a little map here. To show all the different time zones and the different countries that everyone has connected into. So we're really pleased so many people were able to join. We had over 200 applicants to the workshop, and we were only able to accept 30 people this time. So how can you contribute really to the Wannier project? The first thing is you've all been sent a link today by Giovanni about the feedback survey. And I really do encourage you to fill that in. So far about a third of the people have filled this in. This is so we can deliver future workshops. Let's have a look at the chat. Okay. We really see some real advantages in this kind of online format. There was no visa issues. The cost is quite minimal, both to organising it and you for in terms of travel. Also the reduced carbon footprint. So I did a bit of a back of the envelope calculation, and I think if everyone had flown, we would have used about 30 metric tons of CO2 in the atmosphere. So we've saved at least some of that. But as Samuel mentioned earlier, the challenge here is time zones. And so that's one thing that we need to think about. So as a group of Wannier developers, we are hoping that we will run some future workshops like this. Hopefully also we will also run face-to-face workshops. But perhaps in the near future, we'll perhaps run a more introductory workshop to Wannier90. Going back to Arash's opening talk, we'd love for people that are doing some development work to hear about potential use cases for a Wannier90 library. Okay, that will really help us shape the future of the Wannier90 code. Ideas, email either me or Arash, and we'll share that with the rest of the group. We encourage you to join the Wannier90 mailing list. Please post the questions about using the code or the theory of Wannier functions. And please also answer questions. It's great when people can, other people know the answers to questions. Also use the GitHub repository to report bugs, request features, or if you're developing any pieces of new code, please do get in touch with us via that site. Okay, that is really all I wanted to say.